Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany and this is Grizz. You'll see him a lot in my videos because he is my world and I actually have a coffee business named after him. But today's video, we are going to talk about goal setting. Now I'm sitting on the floor right now because the office space upstairs is preoccupied right now, but I'm fine down here. We're going to get this video done regardless and I'm so excited. So January is kind of that month where everybody's goal setting. Everybody's getting ready for the new year. 2024 is here, it's ahead of us, and everybody has so many things that they wish to accomplish and see themselves do this year. Kind of wanted to do an update on what I've been doing differently this year to really help myself with tracking my goals and make sure I'm meeting those. Okay, so this is a 2024 planner, and I'm going to break it down for you so you can kind of see what elements there are that I was specifically looking for in this planner to help myself with really digging into these goals. Because honestly, there are a lot of planners out there and you can get, something that's just got a monthly or a weekly kind of breakdown, but this had some different elements in it that really spoke to me that I knew was going to be very helpful. It's adorable. I love it. I love the design of it. It's gorgeous. And also it was only $13. This was at Walmart. It's called the Day Designer. This is by no way promoted by them or anything, but I found it very helpful. I love the design of it. So if you're looking for one, Walmart had several options for very budget friendly. One thing I like about this is it does have these pockets to put other sheets in here. And what I've kind of done is taken like a bullet journal page and put more specific trackers in here for some of the goals that I put in. So the cool thing about this, it's not just a planner, but it tells you a story. It also tells you a little bit about what the purpose of this planner is to kind of help you with those steps of, don't just set a goal that you can achieve, and here's those actionable steps that you can take to get there. It says, helpful content, easy to use planning pages, and inspire and guide users to find balance, focus, and productivity. That's what we're looking for. I'm not going to show you what I've already written in here, but it says start with the big picture, and it gives you a little spiel about what you should be writing in here to envision what is that big vision for 2024. What is it you want to see ideally? And then we're going to break that down into smaller segmented goals. The second page is going to be set your goals, and it tells you a little bit more about how to do that. It gives you space to break it down. So we've got personal goals, family, friends, and relationship, heart and spirit, financial, work, career, or study goals. And I think that is so important to break those goals down, because if you just set one big goal that encompasses your whole life, it's kind of hard, because you should have goals that are specific to your health, specific to work, and all those are going to lead towards, ultimately we all want to improve and have better lives, but it's easier to do it that way, so it's a little more accomplishable. But not only breaks your goals down into those different categories, but it gives you a spot to accomplish this by which date. What you would do then is you take that date that you want to accomplish it by, and you're gonna put that into your monthly planner. So you're gonna put in, like right here, I put in whatever date I put for that goal. I made sure it landed here in my monthly outlook. Okay, next, this planner has a way to design your days, and this is huge for me. I think this is one of the biggest things aside from setting goals. I've always been good at setting goals and breaking those down into different categories. This helps with that. But this one helped me a lot with designing my days and creating AM and PM routines. These are routines that, you kind of outline what's going to work for you and be realistic, because it's so easy to think, I'm going to accomplish all of this stuff in my AM or PM routine. If it's unrealistic for you and you're not going to stick to it, it's going to be hard. My evening routines, I put like no TV or phone, like watching TikTok an hour before bed, because that is something I've been so bad at, and so it's been very helpful as far as like helping me focus. And then I put in here, drink a cup of water, because I have been so terrible at staying hydrated and drinking water. I had to put it in my routine. I will drink coffee all day long and then forget to drink water. So if you're like me, put it in your routine. For some of my morning ones, I put gratitudes, so trying to put in my gratitudes for the day, and I try and make sure I'm not duplicating anything, so I really push myself to find gratitude in the smallest of things. And then review my plans for the day. So I like to set my schedule and like what I'm going to do the night before, which is in my evening routine, and then in the morning I'm doing my gratitudes, meditation, also drink a cup of water, and then I'm going to review my plans for the day and just see if anything's changed or had to be adjusted. And then it has a page for staying on course. So staying on course is going to be the biggest one, because so often we will set it and forget it, and we really need to make sure that we are really hands-on, getting towards completing those goals, tracking them, and sticking to even these morning and PM routines. So that kind of breaks it down for some of those elements. Then we just see kind of our routine monthly and weekly breakdowns, and I'll show you that real quick. So this is the weekly. You can put in your today's schedule and then the to-do for the day. It's got your top 3 for the week that you need to do, and then it gives you kind of a little inspirational quote on these. It does have a place for notes and your gratitudes. That's not enough space for the gratitudes that I do in my morning one, so I just do that in my bullet journal. That kind of encompasses what this has. Again, I do have some bullet journal pages that I've kind of built out for like legit tracking the progress. So if I have an income goal for the month, on the bullet journal I color in a square for $100, so I see how fast am I getting there, or how many cups of water am I drinking a day. So I kind of break that down, and then I put that here in these little pockets. Again, this video wasn't to specifically promote this planner, but just kind of show you some of the contents in here that have helped me with really tracking and being very in touch with my goals, and making sure that I'm making progress on those goals, sticking to them, and then also huge, creating those routines. So if you're out looking for a planner, those are some elements that I would suggest you look for if you're trying to really be serious about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got more content coming soon. I haven't touched my YouTube channel in a long time. I was previously doing fitness videos, but now we're just gonna do kind of some day in the life stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you're interested, please subscribe. I love the support. Thank you guys.